Good morning, my name is Paul DiMarco and I'm here at the booth for BioSpectra. I'm the Vice President of the company and I'd like to share a little bit about what we do and why we're unique in the industry. So many folks here do quality products. We, along with them, do APIs and GMP solutions. We also do a lot of custom work. The difference is we do everything, we manufacture everything exclusively out of the United States of America in our own GMP facilities. We don't outsource anything. We've been in business for 24 years. The other things that we do very uniquely is we focus on smaller volumes of materials that have been refined up to a very high level, and we will take that all the way to registration with the FDA. So if you're looking for smaller volume, very high value excipients, actives, and other pharmaceutical process chemicals, please think of us. Whether that is our contract manufacturing, the smaller volumes, or whether you're looking for full GMP bulk solutions, and again, that can be in mid-range or smaller volumes, or if you're looking for small orphan APIs, not easily found, we're the folks that you may want to talk to. As I mentioned before, we're here at CPHIWW2019 in Frankfurt. Please feel free to come visit me at the booth. And if you can't stop by, you could always visit our website at www.biospectra.us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.